Greeting from Obi Nukwu Chineke. Today is Saturday 12 October 2024, known as Anenkwo, market in Igbo land, a day of connection of grace, and we celebrate wind for its consisting work upon humans. You are highly blessed and empowered to be great in life with your handwork and businesses, to place food on your table and to assist others around through the connection of the wind that sustains all humans' lives to achieve their goals. Be happy to be here on earth. You are safe and secure. The wind, acknowledgeable your activities both good and bad without making a single mistake to avoid blacklist afterlife. Always love your fellow human being, to love and show respect to your Creator, the owner of all humans and languages. Remember, the Creator's love is in every breath of wind, every sip of water, and every grain of sand. These elements sustain us and remind us of our connection to the divine. Feel the wind's blessings today and always carry its grace with you. From Obi Nukwu Chineke, the blessings of the universe. Onye Indu, Ikuku Achinike, the messenger of truth afterlife.